Hey guys, it's Maite. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the inside of my mini happy planner, and stay till the end of the video. I promise it's not long because I have note pages that I designed myself inspired by the Trendsetter mini happy planner that I have to show you guys today. Now, in my planners that I'm using for 2018, I wasn't exactly sure how I was going to be using a mini happy planner. I thought I was going to need it on the weekends for like days I needed a grocery list, a daily page, note pages, because my classic planner, I was already using that as my everyday portable planner, and I was really stoked about that setup. Well, I will be showing you a video after this about kind of how I reverted back to having a home planner in my classic and how I updated it, etc. And this is going to be the planner that I am using every single day. So let's take a peek inside. So this is what my mini planner looks like when you open it. Now, I really wanted planning on the go to be the focus of this planner. Like, I wanted to have everything so I could create spreads on the go and write whatever I wanted to on the go. And this little pen pouch is an integral part of that. And this is really exciting. So here I have fit 8 Papermate, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes, 8 Papermate Flare pens inside this clear plastic pouch, and this lays completely flat. Now, I wanted to get the mini happy planner pen case, but I wasn't sure if it was going to fit inside of this deluxe cover. So instead, I took one of these plastic sleeves. This is from the ARC collection at Staples, and this is originally made for a half letter size notebook. So what I did was I cut it from the bottom, I stitched it so it wouldn't fall out, the pens, and then I put washi tape on either side just to like make it look pretty, and I'll change it out according to the theme of my planner. And it used to have a slider on the side. Now, I was really stupid. I don't know how it happened, but somehow I broke the slider and could not get it to go back in. I know usually when you break these slidey things, sometimes you can put it back in. I put it back in and it just broke even more. So that's why I have one of these little clips holding it together. Now, this is great because I can put more stickers. I can take the pens out, just put washi tape rolls in here or sheets. So I love how convenient it is, and I love that it stays completely flat and does not really bulk up this planner too much at all, and I have all the pens that I would ever need. In the pockets of this cover, I have a ton of stickers. So these are all from recollections. For the life of me, I can't remember which ones they were from, but I still think that they have these collections, and I thought that these matched the Trendsetter planner perfectly. I just went into my sticker collection and picked out which ones I think would go great with a mini planner. So as you can see, all of these fit perfectly in the mini. Ooh, I also have some Target ones. Here's just an inspirational summer dashboard that I made. You guys know I'm such a summer person and a night person, so I have pictures of sunsets and just things to keep me going until we get to the summer. None of these photos are mine, by the way. I found them all online. I just put them all together in a collage form and printed it out on 4x6 photo paper. This is my title page. Clearly, I don't know how to space my letters together, so they're all on one side, and I put these Target dollar spot stickers on the side to kind of even out the spacing. So this is the beginning of the Trendsetter planner. So here are the daily schedule pages. Now, these were originally made for the classic size happy planner. So what I did was I cut it to size so the rings would match up. And what I did was I cut the weekend off at Friday. Now, for some people, they might not want to do that, but it was kind of like the only way it was going to fit. So what I did was on the back, I glued it together and then punched the holes on the other side, because if you were to glue it together the other way, you would just get the checklist side. So to get the weekend side, I just glued this together, re-punched the holes so they would line up, and then I have the rest of the get it done checklist on the bottom. That really doesn't bother me because I use other checklists, and this should be sufficient for what I need to get done. So that's one way that you can resize the classic size half pages into a mini happy planner. And for me, the Friday, Saturday, Sunday split works well for my schedule, but you're just gonna have to see what works for you. So these checklists, once again, are making an appearance in my mini happy planner. These were also in my classic happy planner, and they're from the Target dollar spot. And I put them next to my Trendsetter section in my classic, and I loved how it looked. So I just cut them to size in here and popped them in. And so I just have a couple of these note sheets. And then we're into the months and weeks. Now I'm only keeping 3 months at a time in here, and that is perfect for me and what I need to get done. Here's my super simple calendar layout. I don't really mess with them too much, but I do mark out the important dates. This is my weekly layout for the first week of March. I absolutely loved how this turned out. I use mostly stickers from the classic sticker books. I actually don't have any of the mini sticker books. And this is a sticker from one of those Recollections washi sticker books, like sticker packs. And yeah, just a little nifty hack here. I actually cut this out from the productivity sticker book, and I fit in 8 to 11 here, and it lines up perfectly with the lines in the mini happy planner. And I just put a little sticker here to note that it was PM and not 8 AM. And I think that's a really cool way to divide up the lines. Thumbs up this video if you want to see mini plan with me's. I'd love to film them for you guys, and if you just want to see more mini happy planner videos in general. So just thumbs up this video so I know. And holding all of this together are paper clips from the Target dollar spot, and it came in a set of 3. I already started filling out the April calendar pages and the May calendar pages. In the back here, I keep my daily pages. I absolutely adore these. These are from the Goal Getter Happy Girl line. I wish they would have made mini daily pages for all of the Happy Girl lines because I adore them, and then I could have matched and coordinated all of them. So maybe they'll make them in the future. And on the back of each of these daily pages, you have a graph note paper sheet, which I already started using to plan out my trip next month. So these are super handy, and I do use these quite a bit, and I use them more than I use the daily pages in my classic happy planner. All right, so on to the most exciting part about this planner for me, and that is these note pages that I designed. Now these were directly inspired by this note page. Now this note page is the very last page of December in the Trendsetter mini planner. If you see in happy planners, there's always like some sort of note page on the last page of the planner, but they did not sell these separately. And I didn't necessarily want the colored pages that the Trendsetter came with for the mini. If you're not familiar with what that looks like, this is a sheet from the classic Trendsetter happy planner note pages, and these came in blue and yellow. And even if I wanted to, I could not get a hold of any Trendsetter accessories. The only reason I got this planner was because I got it on a buy-sell trade group. I don't live anywhere near they were selling them, and they were just completely out. So I like these because they're white and I don't have to deal with that, and they're not checklists, they're just lined pages. So I wish that they had made a pack of these. I probably would have saved myself the trouble and just bought the pack, or if I could have found it, bought the pack. So instead I just designed my own. So that's just the rest of these note pages here. And then I have a Trendsetter pocket with more planner washi stickers here. These are also from Recollections. And in the very back, I have more stickers. These are also, I think, from Recollections. Yep, and these I used on my monthly calendar. And these were the black and white stickers from my personal planner recollection setup that I had, I think 2 years ago? I can't remember. And of course, my handy dandy tool pen in rose gold in the back, because you guys know I can't live without that pen for writing a lot. All right, guys, that is it for this planner setup. So give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already. I'd love to have you join the family. And as always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye, guys.